Are you breathing smoke? Can you see? There's smoke, it seems, from fires. More and more. Well, yeah, Mullein is your ally. Find some Mullein. Buy some Mullein. Gee, I wish I had my glass of Mullein chai here. We were just inside drinking Mullein. We made an infusion from dried Mullein leaves. 1 ounce of dried Mullein leaf to a quart of boiling water, and allowed to sit together, not cooked, but just sitting together for 4 hours or overnight, then strained through a cloth. There's hairs in there that you don't want. And meanwhile, we had warmed up some chai spices in milk, and we combined half Mullein infusion, half milk. That's our Mullein milk chai. Our lungs are feeling really good. Mullein, you're so beautiful. We let the stalk come totally up and begin to open up into flowers, and then harvest by cutting right at the bottom to hang up to dry. So beautiful, so exquisite for the lungs. Smoke, we can't make it be gone, but we can keep our lungs healthy even if we have to breathe it.